In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Gmail account from a laptop. By remove, we're talking about signing out of Gmail in your laptop's web browser so the account is no longer accessible on that device. This does not delete your Google account or any of your emails. It simply ends the active session on that laptop. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to gmail.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you're currently signed in, you'll land in your inbox or the Gmail home screen. If you manage more than one Google account, whichever one is active will be the one you see here. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the Gmail page. You'll see your profile picture or a circular icon with your initial if you haven't set a photo. Click that icon to open the account menu. This menu shows which account is active and gives you quick controls for managing your session. From this menu, choose the option labeled Sign Out. The moment you select it, Gmail will close your session on this browser. You'll be taken back to the Gmail sign-in page, confirming that the account has been removed from this laptop's active session. If you had Gmail open in other tabs or windows, they'll either refresh or prompt you to sign in again before showing any messages. A quick note on what to expect. After signing out, the browser might still display your email address on the sign-in screen as a convenience. That's normal and does not mean you're still signed in. It simply makes it easier to log back in later. Anyone trying to access the account would still need the correct password and, if you use it, two-step verification. If you don't see a profile icon in the top right corner, you're likely not signed in, which means there's nothing to remove. You can also refresh the page if the icon doesn't load right away. On shared or public laptops, always sign out when you're done to protect your privacy. Remember, this process signs you out of Gmail in the current browser only. If you use other browsers on the same laptop, you'd need to repeat these steps there if those sessions are also signed in. That's all there is to it. Go to gmail.com, click your profile icon, and select Sign Out. It's quick, clear, and keeps your email secure on any laptop you use.